Good day everyone, my name is Marcus Royalty Zapata and I am a hospitality management student at Damsu Santo Tomas campus, currently second year student. Human activities from pollution to overpopulation are deriving at the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. Causes and effects of climate change. The main causes of the phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such a water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Let the sun's light, they keep some of the heat from escaping like the glass walls of the greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more the heat that can trap is threatening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities like burning fossil fuels have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere swarm the planet at the alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmosphere and carbon dioxide has unreached today's level in 100,000 of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets such as Greenland and Antarctica are melting. The extra water that once held on glacier causes sea levels rise and spill out the ocean flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperature also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, also longer and more frequent droughts. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating a new agriculture challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and then increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to the higher level of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the one who can combat it. If we work to our places fossil fuels with the renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gases emission, we might be still able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change. Once again, my name is Marcus Royalty Zapata. Thank you for listening.